favorite YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss review exercise of chapter number 2. So let's start the MCQs. I hope you understand the chapter, and if you have any queries you can see the videos from my channel. So question 1, that part number 1, that is 27x minus 1 whole power minus 2 by 3. So option A is correct. Under root x square power 3 and divided by 9. Then part 2 is that write under root 7x in exponential form. So option C is correct, x 1 by 7. Then third question, option A is correct. Question is write 4 2 by 3 with radical sign. So 4 2 under cube root it is written. So option A is correct. Now question number 4. Question is that cube root 35. So is a radicand. What is a radicand? 35. Option C is correct. Then fifth question is there. You just see 25 by 16 power minus 1 by 2. So option B is correct, 4 by 5. Then you just see the conjugate of 5 plus 4 iota. So 5 minus 4 iota. Option C is correct. Then part number 7, the value of iota 9 is iota. Option C is correct. Then every real number is a complex number. Option D is correct. Mark the option D correct. Then you just see the real part of 2ab into iota plus iota square is equals to option B minus 2ab. Imaginary part of minus iota 3 iota plus 2 is minus 2. Option A is correct. Then the question 11, which of the following set have the closure property with respect to addition? Option A is correct. The set is 0. Name the property of real number used in minus under square root 5 into 1 is equals to minus square root is equals to 2. So that is multiplicative inverse. Option D is correct. If x, y, z belongs to real number, z is greater than 0, then x greater than y is equals to B option, x z greater than y z. Then if ab belongs to real number, then one and only a is equals to b, a greater than b, a less than b. Which property would be trichotomy? Option A is correct. A non-terminating, non-breaking decimal fraction represents irrational number. Option C is correct. Then you have the true false. So first question is that division is not an associative operation. So yes, division is not an associative operation. It means that division we not divide in associative property. We just multiply or plus it. So option it is true. Then every whole number is a natural number. It is false because you know that whole number starts from 0 and natural number starts from 1. So 0 is a whole number, that cannot be a natural number. Okay, because natural number start from 1. Then multiplicative inverse of 0.02 is 50. So this option is true. Then pi is a rational number. So pi is not an irrational number. Fourth option is false. Fifth, every integer is a rational number. Yes, every integer is a rational number because we can have any number. So subtraction is a commutative operation. No, we don't subtract in commutative properties. Then every real number is a rational number. That is also false. Then part number 8, that the decimal representation of a rational number is either terminating. जाहिर बात है ये terminating या recurring हो सकता है, दोनों चीजें हो सकती हैं. That is also true. And last question, 1 plus 8 recurring, 1 plus 8 by 9. This is also true. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel, and if you have any queries you can ask in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel.